All right, so a bit of a different unboxing than normal. This is actually something I bought at resale. But the reason I got it for resale was because, or the reason I bought it at resale price from a reseller, I suppose is what I'm trying to say, is because I got it for retail. But that being said, it is used. This is a piece that I really thought had potential when it dropped, so I was kind of disappointed in a couple different aspects of the piece, and then I decided not to cop it. Time passed on, and I was like, I kind of wish I would have gotten that. And then I saw it pop up. I saw it pop up on Grailed, and then I went and copped it right away. Or I shot an offer that was retail. The guy had it priced a little bit above retail. Looking back on it now, I'm kind of thinking, I'm kind of regretting it. We'll see when I get it open. It being used and getting it for retail, it's like, all right, cool. Then I can just like kind of thrash the piece, which will be nice. Have some revenge to just like rock whenever. A lot of my stuff I'm pretty like careful with just because it's so nice, and I guess I did pay retail for all that other stuff, but this being used, I guess, is kind of like already like, all right, we'll just thrash it. And there was a little hole, he said, by the like tag in the back, so we'll see how that goes. Also, if you guys are interested in my shirt, this will be up in like a month or something. I think this is going up like sometime recent, but I'm really excited about this design. It's called the Superstar logo long sleeve. This is a pepper blank. As you can tell, it's not like black. It's like a little bit of a wash on it. Anyway, you guys, if you like it, keep an eye out for it. We got work shirts going up in 2 weeks, which I'm super excited about. So keep an eye out for that. August 27th, work shirts are going to be super hard. And with that being said, we'll get this open. So like I said, kind of regretting getting this because I have so many clothes, especially making clothes now for FACADE, which I'll have links for that in the description down below. But here's the long sleeve. I don't know if I should try it on. Usually I try stuff on right away. I'm not sure if he washed it or not. It looks very clean though. I don't know if it's ever been washed. There's some hair and stuff on it, but yeah, he said, oh, all right. So the hole that's on the neck is super small. I'm not sure how he got it there though. It's in a strange position. It's like right here. I don't know if it'll focus that well or if it'll even be noticeable, but we got a tiny hole right there. But this is the Bubbles long sleeve. Got in an XL, and it feels like a heavy duty material. I haven't gotten many of their new like tees or long sleeves. I don't think I have any. Well, I have the Motion logo long sleeve, but other than that, I don't really have anything. And this is what I really liked. I thought this was cool. You have this revenge spellout, and it's like underwater. You got these bubbles on top of it. And then the portion that I didn't really care for was the chest, that they just have these random bubbles kind of placed around there. I thought it would have been cool to have their little R revenge star that was kind of like under some ice cubes. If they did that under some bubbles, similar to what they did on the sleeve, I thought that would have been cool. Like a small one on the front and then a fat one on the back. I thought would have been a cool touch, but I don't know. I skipped on this and then I kept regretting it. So I don't know. Hopefully the size is all good and everything like that, but getting it in person, it does look cool. But yeah, I guess I'll roll the dice and try this on without washing it. There's some stuff on it. I don't know. I get like COVID or something, but I'll be right back. So the fit is interesting. It's really wide. On like the sleeves are really wide. Like you can see, there's a lot of material here, and then over on the shoulders too, it's really wide. But then the torso isn't like super long, and then the torso, for like as wide as the sleeves are, it doesn't seem like it falls in line with that. But it's not a bad fit, just kind of an interesting fit. And yeah, it's definitely been washed a couple times. Like I said, it's used because you have some cracking going on in the screen print already. Right here you can see. I'm not sure if it'll focus that well, but there's a little bit of cracking going on there. Looks like the rest of the print is pretty good, but yeah, like I said, I got this at retail, so I was like, it's used, I'm just gonna thrash it, be able to wear it all the time, so use it as a beater. And yeah, I still kind of regret it just because I already have so many clothes and I'm making clothes, so those just start like piling up like crazy. So I have all the lookbook stuff that we shoot. I just have that as excess. But anyway, I don't need to be buying any more clothes. You guys need to stop feeding into my addiction. Also, if you're wondering if it's like puff print or anything, it is not. It's just screen print. It's just, you know, not raised or anything. It is a pretty rough screen print, I'll say. It's got like a lot of texture to it. But that's all I got for you guys. There is a giveaway probably going on right now. It's going to end August 21st. So if this video goes up before then and you're not aware of the giveaway, just click on my channel name down below. Look at my most recent videos. It should be like the last one that went up, or like second to last one that went up. So good luck if you guys enter that and it's still open. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.